Hey foodies, today I'm gonna show you a very well known street drink which is found in most of the cities, that is masala soda. This is quite refreshing, especially during the summers with the flavors of lemon, mint and carbonated soda in it. And today I won't be showing you one but two very quick and easy masala sodas. So let's get started. To prepare these quick masala sodas, we'll prepare the base for both first. So in a bowl, add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is freshly squeezed lemon juice. 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar because we are making for 2 glasses or 2 jars. Next goes in half a teaspoon of black salt, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, very little black pepper powder and a very few pinches of salt, as we have enough salt in black salt as well as in chaat masala. Mix these things really well until everything is combined and the sugar is nicely dissolved with the mixture. So this is the base for the masala soda. If you want, you can prepare this in large quantity and store it in any airtight container in the fridge for almost 3 to 4 days. This is how it looks. Now we'll take 2 beautiful looking jars or glasses if you want to. So here I'm using 2 mason jars because these are very much in fashion nowadays. And now we'll divide the mixture into these 2 jars because basically we prepared the masala for 2 glasses. So just divide the mixture. Next goes in some ice cubes in both the jars, some mint leaves, and then muddle it a bit to release its flavors with the back of a wooden spoon or spatula, just like the way I'm doing. This will help in releasing all the flavors of the mint leaves, which is quite refreshing. Next goes in some lemon roundels or the wedges. And now I'm going to pour in some plain club soda in one of the jar, nicely filling it up to the top. So fill it nicely. Wow, you can see it's looking so refreshing for this summer. Stir it slightly with the help of a straw or a long spoon and it's ready to be served. In the same way, in another jar, we'll add in the black soda. You can use Coke or Pepsi, whichever you prefer, filling it up to the top. So just fill it nicely. And then stir it slightly with the help of a straw. You can see these masala sodas are sure to satisfy you on a hot sunny day. It's ready to be served. So here you go, your homemade refreshing 2 quick masala sodas are ready in no time. You can enjoy this with your friends and family around, and if you enjoyed watching this video as much I did in making it, then like, share and subscribe for more such summer recipes. See you soon in my another video. Bye bye.